Let me show you how to solve this math question on the board. We are given y minus 1 in brackets raised to the power of y is equal to 81. And we are expected to find the value of y. If you want to solve this question correctly, first you need to know that some mathematical questions require you to adjust one side of the equation such that it will look exactly like the other side of the equation. And then from there, you compare both sides to get your answer. And this particular question happens to be one of those kind of questions. Now, the question is, how can you adjust this right-hand side to look exactly like this so that you compare them to get your answer? It's very easy. Let me show you what to do. Now, here's the solution. First, the left-hand side says that y, which represents a particular number, minus 1, then raised to that same y, give us 81. So if you want to solve this question, you have to write down this left-hand side exactly the way it is. So we have y minus 1 raised to the power of y, then equal to, now you see this 81, you are going to rewrite this 81 in exponential form. 81 can be written as 3 raised to the power of 4. Why? Because 3 times 3 times 3 times another 3 will give us 81. So in place of this 81, we are going to write 3 raised to the power of 4. Now, you can see that both sides are in exponential forms, but they don't look alike. The pattern of this one is not the same as the pattern of this. This one is a number minus 1 raised to that same number, while this one is just 3 raised to the power of 4. So now, how can we adjust this again such that it will look exactly like this pattern? Let me show you what to do. So let us write this down. We have y minus 1 raised to the power of y equal to, now, you see this 3 here. This 3 here can be written as 4 minus 1. Why? Because 4 minus 1 will give us 3. So in place of this 3, I will write 4 minus 1. You understand? Then I'll enclose it in a bracket and raise it to the power of this 4. Now let us look at the two sides of the equation again and see if they look alike. Here we have y minus 1 raised to the power of y. Here we have 4 minus 1 raised to the power of 4. Do they look alike? Yes, they look alike. And the question is how? This number here, minus 1. Here we have this number, minus 1. And also, if you look at them, you can see that this first number here and this power are the same. And on this side, this number and the power are the same. You understand? So, because we have it in this form, we can simply compare. Now, if you compare the powers, you see that y is equal to 4. Or if you compare this side, you can see that this first number is equal to 4 here. So, in conclusion, we can say that y is equal to 4. And this is the answer to this question. If you find this video interesting, then let me know in the comment section.